So here at the Gardens, we have excellent education programs.
Everybody say boomerang.
Boomerang!
They're learning about nature in nature, out of the classroom.
We work from preschool kids right through to high school, even tertiary students.
Understanding these plants here can keep you alive.
Kids have a really unique experience when they come to an excursion here at Plant Bank.
In the real world with the plants, where we do the science.
Children immerse themselves in nature and they learn from hands-on experiences.
Nature's my favourite classroom, and it's really cool learning how plants can adapt to their environment to survive.
They can experience this ecosystem at night, spot nocturnal animals. They just have the time of their lives.
And their faces just light up when they discover something new.
When children have spent time learning outdoors, they retain that information better and they are able to recall that information later in the classroom.
Can you guys see it on the next branch up? Did you see the bats hanging upside down? Okay.
They make better connections with the land and with the world around them. By touching, by smelling, by listening.
The Royal Botanic Gardens is a very unique and a very valuable experience for students to come to and interact with many hands-on activities.
Look what I found. Got it! Lid! Yes! Yes!
So far found 2 spiders and signed with the millipede.
Because there's not many animals that can move stuff like that around.
I think kids enjoy spending time outdoors and actually seeing the things they're being educated about.
This is my favourite excursion ever.
It's a lot more hands-on. It's like fun being in nature and seeing everything around you.
I had a great day. It's better than school.